Hello, good morning. Today we are starting the new chapter organizing. Till now, we have taught you about planning, business environment, various management principles, nature of management principles, etc. Now, children, you have to see what is organizing. The concept of organizing demands human, physical, and financial resources are synchronized. Actually, human efforts, physical resources, and financial resources. H, P, and F. All three, H, P, and F, all three are clubbed together in a synchronized manner. This is called organizing. If your synchronization of all these efforts, human, physical, and financial, are good, only then you can ensure about a good organization. So, organizing is that activity which synchronize this human, this physical, and this financial force altogether. Now, importance of organizing. Organizing is very important. Why this is important? We can discuss on the points of some like specialization. Actually, organizational structure. This is a network of various relations, and all are knit together. These are like this. There is a very complicated network of relations, many types of relations. So, when you organize all these single units of relations of this network, only then, suppose this unit can specifically do a particular job. This unit can do another particular specific particular job. So, like this, specialization is ensured. And what is coordination? Children, coordination means a system or a balance between two or more than two. I give one example. Suppose this is marketing department and this is production department. So these two departments need to work in a coordination. Okay. Number three, you see. Number three is optimum utilization of resources. Organizing ensures that all the resources should be used in optimum manner. Clear? Adaptation to changes. All of a sudden new changes comes before the organization, and if organization is working with organizing its efforts, then it can adapt to changes. Sense of security. Sense of security is everybody who is working must know clearly what is his specific role in the organization. When a person is ensured about a particular role, what he or she is expected to perform for the organization, then this provides a sense of security to that fellow. Organizing ensures growth and diversification. Growth and diversification, these are two actually symbols of progress. These two are ensured only with organizing. Next is development of personnel. The organizational structure promotes efficient staffing. It helps development of managerial talent. Managerial talent managerial talent need to be inculcated in the employees. That is also important, and organizing ensures it. By organizing, our administration also becomes effective, because to make the administration effective, it must be clear what is the center of authority and power. If this is not clear, suppose, then the entire organization will remain confused. From where the instructions are coming, from where the guidelines are coming, from where the various other time to time rules and notifications are coming, it should be clear. So, by organizing, we ensures that administration can become more and more effective. So, children, today we have discussed the concept and various important points regarding how organizing becomes important for management. So now you take care of your study, you prepare notes, refer NCRT, and revise it properly. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.